Today, I want to talk about whether you should paint the edges of your canvas or not and why you may or may not want to do that. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been teaching and painting for over 30 years and I decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. Now, if you stay with me on this channel on a weekly basis, I will answer your questions and help you become that better artist. Now, I have a painting here which has, as you can see, the edges are painted black. Now, it has more to do with the framing or presentation of the painting. It's not actually the painting surface that I'm worried about. You can put this painting on the wall. It has a finished look because the edges are black. And you can also put this in what's called a shadow box frame. My take on most of this, even though this is a small painting, I painted the edges black because this one's probably going to end up in a shadow box. Now, on a big painting, when you put a big painting on the wall, what happens is it doesn't get lost. When you put a small painting on the wall, it gets lost. So to keep a small painting from getting lost and looking better, you want to see small paintings in frames, and that's the way I feel about it. Big paintings, I would do the edge dark or something like that so it doesn't show up, but it separates the painting from the wall. It gives it a somewhat of a framed effect without putting a frame on it. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout for you called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. And thank you for watching.